Alright guys, we are at Gray's Peak parking lot this morning. It is fairly cold and it looks like we have a ton of snow to trek through. Couldn't even make it to the top of the parking lot because the snow is so thick that the four-wheel drive could not make it through. So you kind of see the mountainside right there. It's kind of blending in with the snow, but that'll be good. There's a better picture of it. So now you can see that the Gray's Peak's heading that way, and we'll be off. It is definitely have to get through this. You gonna make it?
Very slowly.
Yeah. It was amazing from up here. You all right? Okay. So it's a blistering 25 degrees. Feels like 16 degrees. It's cold. And there's a lot of snow. Well, feels like we've gone a while, but I don't think it have. It's just nothing but this stuff here for a while. We haven't made it to the trailhead yet. Probably gone a half mile or so. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a long day. How was it out here? So how is it out here?
Cold.
I don't think you ever thought you would do this, huh? Heck no. Me either.
I don't want to wear it anymore.
Oh, that's messed up. Well, I guess this is a good time to spend it any. We'll just tell everybody on the invite that, you know, it's just a party now. It's just a party now. It's not even a reception anymore.
Hey y'all. Check it out. It's frozen puddle.
Oh snap, it is frozen. Alright, so guys, got about halfway up the trail, just not even to the trailhead, and we get to this, an Airbnb on the side of Gray's. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Who would want to camp up here? Anyway, yeah, most likely it's closed. You can't even get to it. Anyway, moving on. So as we're heading up the path, the road becomes no more. Apparently there must have been some kind of avalanche or something here, because the road just ends and all this debris is left. So yeah, we just have to climb around this debris. Haven't even made it to the trailhead yet, and we're fighting avalanche debris. Hey, look everybody, there's Juanita. There's the road behind us. Yeah, you can definitely see where it slid up here against the rail there. All this came down. There's logs and whatnot, and trees. Well, no road, so let's carry on here. Well, if anybody's wondering, shooting this with the Osmo Pocket because I'm wearing gloves and I can't use my phone. So I'm definitely not gonna take my gloves off out here. My hands will freeze. So, stumbled upon this abandoned cabin. It looks like. Don't know what it is. We got past the avalanche part down there, and then stumbled upon this cabin. And just take a peek inside here. I think it's a shelter of some sort. It's got old names on it. Just take a look here. Yeah, see there's a stairway. Floor is kind of rotten. Yeah, it's definitely somebody's old cabin, but even the insulation's frozen. I guess we definitely oh, and the snow is really thick right there too.
2 stories. Stairwell.
Yeah, definitely. In the last few minutes, we haven't really made it very far. Still haven't made it to the trailhead. It's been just post-holing for a mile, and yeah, we got our active minutes through the Virgin Pulse. Yeah, we still have a long ways to go. If you can see back there, that's where we gotta go, and then we gotta go up that mountain right there. So yeah, fun times, guys. I'm kind of hot and sweaty, but I really don't want to take my layers off. It's too cold out here. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the upside. This is actually a little easier than Red Rocks because I'm actually walking on top of the snow versus down in it, and I'm still dry. Knock on wood. Somebody go knock on wood because I don't want to get wet out here. Just wow. You got this, babe. You got this. We are in kind of the forest area now. See that? There's the peak. And, she's coming. Still haven't made it to the trailhead yet. The snow is a good foot deep now. Hope you guys can hear me. I don't have the mic. I didn't bring it. Definitely tell a car has not been up here in some time. But the snow is a good foot deep. You can see some people's snow tracks in the fluff. And it's deep. I see a cabin in the distance. Hopefully, if you can see it, it's right there. Taking a quick break here. I'm gonna have some Chaos Mountain Energy Bar because I need it. It's kind of frozen. Partly. Hey, somebody's skiing.
Kind of cold.
Oh. See, this guy was smart. Should have done that.
Yep.
Did you catch that? I just went down on skis. Probably hiked all the way up and skied all the way back. It's pretty smart. was a nice break. We're gonna head on out. Apparently we've gone about 8:50 now. We've gone 2 miles. So we're basically putting an hour a mile in. Started at 7 this morning. So we got about another 4 miles to the peak. So it should put us about 1 o'clock. And then we have another 4 miles back. Actually 6. So we'll be right at dark before we get back to the car. Let's head on out. Okay guys, we finally made it to the trailhead after 2 miles. Damn, is it beautiful. Wow. Finally made it to the trail side. Woo! Alright. Let's see. You're here. You're here. Grace Peak's there. And Toys Peak's there. Wow. Holy crap. So we met this wonderful gentleman here. He's gonna be hiking with us. Apparently, the Continental Divide trails this way. So we're heading that way too. We're officially on the trail, past the trailhead. So I'd say this snow's pretty well compact for what it is. It's not too bad. Oh. It is definitely well compacted, which is good because it's deep. It's a good 2 to 3 foot deep, I'd say. Here she comes. And it's a lot of snow. So you see, there's no snow for a while. Sure is beautiful out here though. Nothing like I've ever seen before. And nothing I've ever hiked in either. So apparently this Grace Peak takes you up to the Continental Divide trail. So I pray for the people on that trail if they have to hike through this. This is a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Alright guys, we're heading back to the car. It's been 5 miles of nothing but snow, and yeah, it wasn't too fun. So we decided to turn around and head back to the car, and it's actually gotten a lot easier, but so far we've gone 5 miles in snow and probably a mile and just post-holing. We're exhausted. We didn't make it to the peak, but that's okay. But yeah, so we're hiking back now. See you back at the car. So, I don't know if you can see this, but the whole trail this afternoon is nothing but a stream of all the melted snow. And see it flowing there, going all the way down. A lot less snow coming down the hill. A lot easier too. And it's warmed up to about 55 degrees, so I just shredded some jackets. And that, still heading back to the car.